Hello, DDP students. This is the third tutorial in the Fusion 360 Pac-Man assignment. So what we've done so far is we built this middle part and offset it. We did the rectangle and offset that, added text, made our first Pac-Man. It's a little too close to the edge here, but that's okay. We're just learning how to draw here. It's got 5 equally spaced pellets. It's got a cherry, which uses the arc, and then the spline tool for the teardrop. So what we're going to do is we're going to place Pac-Mans all over the place. And we're just going to do Pac-Mans for now. I'm going to show you how to set the path for the pellets, and then I'll show you how to do the rest in another video. So let's dive right in. So we're going to go really far in. We're going to right click and we're going to do a move copy, and we can just drag this over here. We don't want this, so this is probably a bad idea to drag it if there's things close by. So I'm just going to do a move copy. I'm going to select this and I'm going to hold down shift to get these other lines here. And on our move copy, if we scroll all the way down, we can create that copy here. Let's zoom out, okay? And we're just going to bring this copy over here. If we look at our blueprint, we have the same thing that's here, 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 and here. So I'll do a few, and then I'm going to pause the video and just come back when most of them are completed, okay? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make one here, I'm going to make one here. So we're just going to go to our move copy. We can just select the whole thing this time. Check the box, go over here. All right, and then we just do this over again. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'm going to fast forward and just do most of this work and just show you what it looks like. All right, so I've gone and made copies of all of these different Pac-Mans, and I placed them in the same places as the blueprint. The only one I didn't do was this large one here. I think I'm going to draw that separately. But this is what we have so far. It's the same number here. This one and this one and this one are turned in different directions. They're going to have the pegs here. So we're going to do the same thing that we did for this middle one. We're going to zoom into each of the Pac-Mans that are turned and rotated. And we're going to go to our line tool. Our line type is construction. And we're just going to do one in the same direction that the Pac-Man is facing. So we're going to go to switch off the construction line type, go to our circle. We're going to draw one. Okay, just a small one is good. And we're going to go to our rectangular patterning. Okay, now for this, because the line is going diagonally, we're going to hit direction, and then we're going to select the line, and now it's going to go in that path. So we're going to up this to 5, and we're just going to drag it out till it looks equally spaced. We're going to set that. We're going to zoom in. We're going to trim these off. All right, and then we're going to copy and paste our cherry right there. If we zoom in even more, there's a little line there. We want to be detail oriented. All right, so I'll show you that again somewhere else. So over here, we have one. So we're going to use our line. We're going to go to our construction line type. We're going to go and put that in this direction. We're going to switch off that, go to circle, just repeat these steps. Okay, let's zoom in. We're going to go to our rectangular pattern, get that going. We're going to select direction, select the path, up this to 5, and then drag this. Okay, and then again, we're going to trim this up. Okay, I'm going to just pause the video and do the next one, and then I'll be back and we're going to do the cherry. All right, so now we're going to grab this cherry. I'm going to do my move copy. I'm going to select all of this here, create a copy, and then let's zoom out here. We want to bring this over to here. And let's see if this is rotated. It doesn't really even appear to be rotated here, so I'm just going to set that. All right, and then we have one completed one. We can do the same thing, where we're going to zoom in, right click, move copy, select the whole thing. And if it's not all selected, you hold down shift. Okay, I'm just going to drag that over to here. Okay, and let's just do our last one. Copy, and let's zoom out. Okay, for this one, I'm going to rotate it and then move it. Okay. All right, and so we're almost done. Okay, the next one, we're going to draw this and then put a frame around it, and then we're all good. All right, I'll see you at the next video.